What if you could change the way your team works? Imagine a process that makes teamwork more productive and enjoyable. Enter the Scrum Framework. This innovative approach can transform how teams manage projects. Scrum is an agile framework for managing projects. It focuses on delivering value through collaboration and flexibility. Scrum breaks work into small, manageable increments called sprints. Each sprint typically lasts 2 to 4 weeks. First, let's outline the roles in Scrum. The Scrum team consists of 3 main roles: the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the development team. The product owner writes the project vision and prioritizes tasks. The Scrum Master facilitates the process and removes obstacles. The development team executes the work. Next, we'll discuss the Scrum events that keep the process on track. There are 5 key events: sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, sprint retrospective, and the sprint itself. Sprint planning sets the stage and outlines what needs to be done. Daily Scrums keep everyone on the same page. Sprint reviews showcase the completed work, and retrospectives help improve the process. Now let's dive into the artifacts in Scrum. The product backlog lists all project tasks. It's dynamic and evolves over time. The sprint backlog is a subset of the product backlog. It contains tasks chosen for the current sprint. Finally, there's the increment, which is the sum of all completed work. Imagine a team of software developers using Scrum. Each morning, they gather for a daily Scrum. They discuss what they did yesterday, what they plan for today, and any challenges they face. This keeps everyone aligned and focused. After a few weeks, they have a working product increment ready for review. In summary, Scrum helps teams collaborate effectively, stay organized, and deliver results. By defining roles, events, and artifacts, Scrum creates a structured yet flexible environment. This leads to continuous improvement and increased satisfaction. Are you ready to implement Scrum in your team? Start today by defining your roles and scheduling your first sprint planning meeting. Let's boost your team's efficiency together.